Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $19,845. 24-hour volume, we are down 1.35%, and market cap, we are up 0.19%. Heading over to our chart here, I've got it on our daily chart, and then I'm going to go into our 4-hour chart as well. But essentially what we can see since Bitcoin dropped on August 26th, we have been consolidating sideways here. So coming down to support roughly around the $19,584 range, and then coming up here, hitting resistance roughly around the 20,466. So essentially this is going to be a continuation pattern until we actually break through the support line here and retrace closer to this area of supply and demand. As I zoom out, we can see on our volume indicator here adjusting essentially at this node here where we accumulated more volume than we see this gap in between. So again, as we leave away from this area of volume right here at $19,787, we're going to head into the next area of supply and demand, roughly around again here at 19,400. Now, if we go into before we go into the 4-hour chart here, we are going to drop as well for Bitcoin because on our RSI, we have a crossover of our K and our D line here. So we can see the K line itself was 89%, and then we can see our D line at 75% and initially crossover, considering us to be overbought, and a potential sell signal will be here. As we can see in the candlestick so far for today, we are found near the bottom. Not only that though, we do see a weakness in our MACD. However, we are below the 0%, so we won't have such a huge surge of price coming back up as in terms of support when we do flip over these lines here. Now going to immediate short term for 4 hours, again, we're going to see that consolidation, that price side action a lot more zoomed in. We can see more again coming down to an area of support, resistance, support, resistance, support, and then coming up to resistance as well. When we take a look at that resistance key in here, we can see again the crossover occurring past 80% to be considered to be more overbought. Now we can see the Bollinger Bands are reacting, consolidating sideways and pinching in, meaning a lot of lower volatility. Price for Bitcoin is not going to move so fast. But not only that, notice again how much of a surge price is coming down as soon as we hit the resistance line. Now, as we can predict here for Bitcoin, we are going to continue to come down because our RSI is gradually coming down in percentage. But not only that though, when we see on a 4-hour time frame how many retracement levels on our fib chart we actually broke through before reaching that area of support. So again, price is going to come down to this area of support here if we're not going to hold from here at $19,769. We can already see that the node or the tail at this line here has retraced down to that level by seeing numerous candlesticks here finding support in this range. Now, we're not going to hold that area because we can see our MACD indicator getting lighter in the color and the spaces in between our signal line and our MACD line are closing in. Then we may actually retrace closer down to an area of support again at 19,543 here, and depending on how fast the MACD momentum shows us in a selling aspect at this area of confluence, you'll notice us at the very bottom of the Bollinger Band. We may actually come down to the next area of support that we saw on our day one at the 19,407 until we can actually get that support by our RSI dropping closer to the 20% range. So that is my video or update here for Bitcoin, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.